is, doesn't matter where I am. I can be stress-free when I count to 10. Take a deep breath and control myself. Talk to my teacher if I need some help. We can handle stress, just wait and you'll see. Cool, calm, and collectively. I stay cool, calm, and collect. Okay. I stay cool, calm, and collect. Okay. I stay cool, calm, and collect. Let's go. No, you can't